If you've recently jumped onto the Among Us bandwagon, then you might have noticed that a few players are appearing with no names within the game. This makes it harder for other users to identify them, especially if they are the imposter. But Among Us does not allow you to start a game without a name, so how exactly is this achieved? Unicode characters, that's how. Let's take a quick look at Unicode characters and how you can use them for a blank name in Among Us. Let's begin. Now minimize the game and open your preferable browser. Now Google search for U+3164. Open the first link that appears. After the website opens, tap and hold select the blank area between the two inverted commas present beside character. Copy the selected area. Make sure it is copied properly. Now load up Among Us. Go to the text field where you can change your name. Long press on the text field and then paste the copied character. That's it. This is how to get a no-name in Among Us mobile version easily. You can try it out on PC to see if it works, but it works on mobile devices for sure.